Lamont, let's talk about at Verizon. A lot of activity going on over there. Give us an example of a program that you'd like to highlight where you're right smack in the middle of one of these IT modernization activities or digital modernization, I think, as George pointed out.
Yeah, no, thanks, Luke. And yeah, and definitely want to hit on too with the business processes that George was talking about. I mean, we're looking at in the defense space with the DoD, with a couple of the combatant commands on how we modernize their networks and the enterprise IT as a service. And what's key about that is we're looking at it from the end user standpoint and how do we start delivering services to the end user in a better way. So it's more than just looking at how do we just do a tech refresh or tech upgrades, but how do we then start in tandem upgrading the network services, providing connectivity between all the compute infrastructure, other applications. How do we make sure the network is available for them to be able to go out and get to any of these applications from anywhere on a base or coming outside of a base, so that they can make sure that they're continue to move that mission forward. So it's really looking at how do we unify all the technologies together, network, compute applications, make sure it's a seamless environment for those end users to be able to work and move their mission forward. Our main thing that we want to make sure is that we're working together with the Department of Defense to advance that mission, advance what they want to do, and then also assist with making sure that they're not just looking at this again like as a tech upgrade, but then they're looking at this from how do I now provide more services? How do I continue to innovate? And how do I continue looking at what each one of my end users need so that they can continue moving forward with what they have on a day-to-day basis and not have to worry about what's happening on the back end for the network?